beautiful YouTube family, welcome to another vlog. Today's video is going to be a comparative review over two compacts and we are going to see which one is going to do better. Why I have selected these two compacts is because they come under the similar price. So I'm going to see all the features, the texture, the packaging and all the other properties of the compact, and we both are going to give a score or the review for these two compacts. At the end, I will also apply one compact on the left hand side and another compact on the right hand side, and then we will check out. So let's get started. So today we are going to talk about the two compacts from a similar price range. One is from Revlon and another is from Maybelline Fit Me range. Okay, these two compacts, they are under the similar price range. Revlon comes for around 515 rupees and Fit Me is of around 600 rupees. Compact, so I would give this compact one additional point. Okay, coming to the grams of these two compacts, Revlon is having 12 gram of the content, while the Fit Me is having around only 9 gram, while in Revlon it is around 12 grams. So again, Revlon gets additional 1 point. Okay, third property that we are going to discuss is the packaging. If you see the packaging, Revlon is having a black packaging with golden lining in between. Okay, this looks really good according to me. Okay, they have their logo over here, that is R stands for Revlon. Okay, if you talk about Fit Me is having a rectangular packaging, while this is around box shape. Okay, they have written nicely Maybelline New York and Fit Me logo where there's a blue line in center, and this is having a little bit of glossy finish on the top. So if you compare both the compacts for the packaging, I would give Maybelline 1 point. I like this packaging better than the Revlon one. Okay, even if you talk about the back hand side, okay, you can see the contents, you can read it nicely. There are bold words written for Maybelline, while this you cannot read that clearly, you have to properly read it. So for the packaging, I would give Maybelline one additional point. Moving on to the next property, I would like to show you the backside contents and what is all written. So we will give one additional point for that. Okay, starting with Revlon, Revlon has written natural matte touch and glow moisturizing powder, a moisturizing face powder that smooths, silkens and evens out your skin tone. Okay, they have also mentioned key ingredients, that is talc, fragrance and titanium dioxide. They have given their marketing information. They have written expiry, use before, manufacturing, batch number and also the price. Okay, so they have given the complete information behind on the back end side. Okay, one thing I would like to focus is that they have not mentioned the tone or the code number. Okay, if I'm finished with this compact and I have to buy again the same one, there is no code number for this, there is no name given that which is the skin tone that I would go again and buy. Okay, otherwise everything they have mentioned properly at the back end side. Talking about the Fit Me Maybelline New York, okay, they have only mentioned that this is 310 sun beige color and a powder foundation so refined that it fits your skin tone and texture. That's it. They have only given this information. No ingredients are mentioned, no expiry date, no manufacturing date, no batch number, nothing they have mentioned at the back end side. Okay, if you compare these two, you can make out that the complete information is given of the Revlon, while Maybelline is not doing that much part for the information. Okay, so I think I will give Revlon one more additional point for the information basis. Okay, only one point I liked is that they have mentioned this is 310 sun beige, okay, which I have got. So even if I get exhausted with this, I can just show this and I can buy, while I think Revlon must be having in their original box, because we don't keep the boxes till, you know, this get exhausted. So I think Revlon should also mention the color code, and then I think all other properties are really good. Okay, one more additional point that I liked about Revlon is that they are writing over here, it is a moisturizing powder. Okay, now Revlon, they are promoting this compact for normal to dry skin, while Fit Me is promoting this compact for normal to oily skin. Okay, but Fit Me is not mentioning anything like any contents that they can promote in oily skin type, but Revlon is talking that it is a moisturizing powder, that it says that you can use it for dry skin. So I really loved the information that they have given at the end. So let us go inside now. Okay, talking about Revlon first. Okay, this opens like this. It is having a push-up button and it is having a mirror. Okay, the mirror quality according to me is fine. It is having a sponge, as all the compacts they do have it. Okay, I have used this a lot for the review purpose. Okay, and the compact looks like this. Okay, this is my skin tone compact. If you talk about the texture, I will show you how this looks like. Okay, I will also give you a swatch on my hand and I'll show you. Okay, I'll use a compact sponge. Okay, I really like this. This is having a nice moisturizing feel. It's very good. Okay, let us check out what does Maybelline has in store. Talking about the Maybelline, let's go inside. Okay, Maybelline is not having a push button like Revlon. It is having a pull button, like you have to put little pressure and pull this up. Okay, this is also having a mirror. Okay, the size of the mirror is bigger than that of the Revlon, and also if you see, the compact is really big. It is rectangular in shape. Okay, this will take more space in your bag than the Revlon one. The Revlon is having a nice mini compact, while the Fit Me is having a little bit of rectangular and bigger in size. If you talk about the sponge, I really like this sponge. Okay, this is a proper foundation, or this is a proper base sponge that they have given. Okay, and you can use it two-way, while that of Revlon you cannot use it two-way. You can only use the sponge one way. Okay, I have given this pore so that the sponge can breathe, the sponge can dry out, and the next time you use it, it is under a good condition. Okay, so this is one point that I really liked. I really like the square shape mirror also. Okay, if you check out the quality is similar to that of the Revlon mirror. Okay, now let us check out the texture, okay, of this compact. Okay, now this side I had applied Revlon. Now let us check out by applying on this side. I feel this gives you more coverage than the Revlon one. Okay, but this is little bit on a dry side. As they mentioned, this is for normal to oily skin. That is actually right. This is little bit, you feel drier, and this one, while I applied the Revlon one, was actually, I could feel that it is giving you some moisture. I cannot say it is having the moisturizing property, but you can feel some softness while applying, while this is not having that much of softness. Let us talk about the scores that they deserve after seeing their inside packaging. If you see, for the sponge, it is having a dual base sponge, and the quality of the sponge is also better. If you compare with this is not having a dual base sponge. Also, the quality is little on a poor side as compared with this, so I will give this one additional point. Also, for the overall packaging and also the inside mirror and all, Fit Me gains one more additional point as compared with the Revlon. Now it's time to apply these two compacts on your face. On left hand side of my face, I'm going to apply Fit Me first, and then on my right hand side I'm going to apply Revlon, and we will have a one-on-one checkout. So let's get started. Okay, I have applied absolutely nothing on my face. I've just applied sunscreen in the morning and kajal and lipstick. That's it. On my face there is nothing, absolutely no makeup. So I'm just going to apply compact. I've not even applied any moisturizer, so that I can actually feel whether the compacts are drying your skin out or whether the compact is giving you moisturizing effect. Okay. I will also use this part of the mirror. I have few acne scars over here. Okay. Let us see whether this compact can cover this up. Okay, I'm not going to apply much, just I'm going to dab now into my skin. Okay, my skin really looks brighten up. As you can compare from the right hand side, you can see the difference as if I've applied some foundation. I really love this effect. You can say it is giving you good coverage. Okay, I'll apply some more on my neck. I really loved it. The coverage it is giving, it is also concealing the under eye part. Okay. You can see all the blemishes, the acne scar is hidden. There's a huge difference, okay? This is my bare face. This is Fit Me Maybelline Compact. Now let's check out what Revlon will do. I'm applying Revlon Compact on my right hand side of face. Okay, with this sponge. I will also use this mirror. Dab, 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 dab. Mix. Oh, this is also giving nice coverage. On my forehead, under eye, nose, and finally the neck. Oh, hardly I can make out any difference. Revlon is also doing a very good part as compared to the Fit Me Compact. Okay, now I'm going to show you my left hand side of face. This is Maybelline Fit Me Compact. Okay, closer look. And this is Revlon Compact Moisturizing, having moisturizing property. Okay, I feel this side of my face is a little bit brighter as compared to this side. Okay, you can make out the difference. This side of my face is a little bit brighter and having better coverage as compared to this side of my face. Okay, so I feel Maybelline has done better job. Okay, I'll give one additional point to this Maybelline Compact. So this scores around 4 points as compared to Revlon. So according to me, Maybelline Fit Me is a better compact. Please do comment below what did you feel and which is your favorite compact. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.